guys, so this POV is actually from a different day. The other day people weren't really going fast, they just wanted to cruise, and I didn't want to be that guy, you know, just trying to get ahead or being extra. Anyways, we are here today. We're going up and hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy the POV. So we're in a 2001 Z3, 3 liters, completely stock. The only mod I have is a muffler delete, and that's pretty much it. And hopefully you guys can hear it and it's not too windy. I'm here with my friend Cyan and this 335 IS. Kinda hard to keep up, but I'll try and have fun. And talk at the same time. It's pretty difficult. This car has factory burbles, pretty cool. Sounds pretty nice, not too loud. And it's only a diesel. fix this squeak, please comment down below. This thing drives me crazy. There's too much noise in the cabin. Guys, I've been enjoying driving this car a lot actually. The brake light just came on, so I'm gonna have to change the brake pads and the brake pad sensor. I'll do that soon. But yeah, no big complaints. I've had this car for a month and a half now, and knock on wood, it's been pretty good. So if you're anyone looking for a Z3 and you're hesitant to buy it, my advice for you is to just get it. You'll love it. If you're selecting between a Miata or a Z3, I would definitely go with the Z3 because of the bigger engine, more power, and you can have more fun in it. I've owned a Miata before, and the Miata definitely handled way better than the Z3, but you know, that's just a few extra mods you have to do. That's like coilovers, a sway bar, new bushings, and your car's gonna handle as good, if not better, than a Miata NA or NB. For the money, honestly, I don't know what else you can buy to have so much fun. Yeah, you could get a G35, but for me a G35 didn't really fit in my garage because I already have a sedan. As you guys know, I have a F10, and a convertible 5-speed just made more sense to me. I think a lot of you know I actually started an E36 build on my channel, but I only uploaded one episode, and that's because I finished it but I sold it because when I brought it up to the mountains, I wasn't having as much fun. So if you're in the convertible market and you're okay with 2 seats, I would definitely look into a Z3 and try my best for the bigger engines. Any 6-cylinder would work, but if you're trying to get the LSD, then you're gonna have to look for either a 2.8 or a 3.0, because these are the only ones which comes with LSD from factory. You could always swap it into a 2.5 one, but you know, that's extra trouble, and if you're someone who doesn't want to do all that, just look for a 2.8 or a 3.0. I think you guys can already hear the squeak. Well, it's a 20-year-old car. Like, the amount of fun I'm having is, it's hard to measure it. And little problems like the squeak and all that doesn't matter anymore. If you were to just daily it, I don't know, maybe for some of you it's possible. I personally, if I had the option to not daily this, I would probably go that route because it's pretty small. I mean, the space in the back is alright, but you know, if I had the option, I would have this as a second car. So for all the older people who's watching this video and you're considering buying a Z3, go for it. If it's your second or third car, just go for it. I believe these cars will go up in value, so if you buy a really low mileage example, it's gonna be a fun car and an investment at the same time. But if your budget is lower then definitely buy a higher mileage one because they work just as well. Like my last 2.8 I had, the British green one, had 172,000 miles on it, and it drove fine and I had fun in it. The only reason I sold it is because I wanted more power, but 2.8 was plenty. It was already plenty. I actually bought the Z3 not for power, but because it's low, the production number is lower, and plus the car I got at that time, this car had really low mileage, so I couldn't really say no to the offer. I was gonna keep the green Z3, but the reason I sold it was to have enough money to buy this. But yeah guys, sorry for rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you for watching, everyone. It really helps the channel if you guys would like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.